In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now look for your audio by hitting Audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, just hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. Now to add a video one, you can click on Gallery section over here. Tap on your video instantly to attach it. Or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!